So our next exercise is going to be a fly with a W, and then we're going to be lengthening our straps to do our chest press. So I want you to do a staggered stance. So you got 1 foot forward, 1 foot back. So I want you to lean back into it, and your back heel is up. You're going to open and then fall back. You see how I did that? Fall forward, front toe goes down, back heel goes up. Fall back, toe comes up. So I'm going to do it one more time, just so you can see my foot position. All right, so we're flying your arms. Now that you have the foot position, you're going to open, step forward, open the arms, fall back. Now let's go to a W. That same thing. So it's just rocking on that toe. Okay, now that you have that, let's put those two moves together.